Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dutch. And today we have a special treat all the way from Miami.
Hi, my name is Sophia Scott. And in today's show, we're gonna talk about how to be a hookah boss.
So as you can tell by the title, is how to be a hookah boss. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also follow us on Instagram. It's Dutch Masters TV. And let's get started. So before we start, we want to know a little bit about Sophia. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
So yeah, my name is Sophia. I was born in the United States, raised in Germany, and I've been back in the US for about 3 years, and I'm your typical entrepreneur.
That's why I brought her to the show. So tell us a little bit about your entrepreneurship.
So yeah, I mean, I own multiple businesses. My main business is a hookah brand called Sophia Smokes, you can see here. And also I launched a bunch of different products in the past year, pretty much all around everything. And also I teach people how to make money online and how to launch their own products if they're interested in, hey, I want to launch something, and I help them to get started and explain everything to them.
Nice, that's very interesting. So tell us, how did you start with your hookah business? What made you start about, hookah?
So yeah, I mean, I'm pretty much obsessed with hookah. I smoke hookah. I started smoking hookah at a really young age. And yeah, I just love it. I mean, it's a really social thing where I come from in Germany. So we always used to hang out in hookah bars or just socialize, meet up there. And I thought, okay, my first product, my first brand would be hookah for sure.
Yeah,
so
definitely.
I was not even thinking about the market or anything. It's gonna be hookah and I'm gonna blow it up.
And I love it, I love it. So can you have like some type of advice that you would like to give to people who want to start a hookah business or anything, like any kind of work or job or entrepreneurship?
I mean, I would definitely say don't give up, don't ever give up, because it's not easy. I tell you, it's really, really not easy. It's hard work, but it's gonna pay off. And if you have a goal in mind you wanna do, you should definitely follow it, pursue it, and just go through with it. And everything is learnable. I mean, I started from nothing. I didn't know nothing about this or owning a brand or anything, but I learned everything. And especially now, these days with YouTube and everything, you can learn everything super easy.
Definitely. And I love what you're doing. I love that you're actually like putting your energy. I love your energy by itself. So how about we just take out some of your products now and test them out?
Yeah,
Ready?
for sure.
All right,
do it.
let's go. All right, so we're down to the favorite part, is showing off your products. Let's see what you got. What you got over there?
Okay, so the first product I ever launched was the Sophia Smokes Smoke Bundle.
Nice.
So it includes all the accessories you need pretty much to smoke hookah. So it's a pretty good starter pack. You have everything included. I'm just gonna open this.
Yeah, go ahead.
So you have the mouthpieces in here.
Uh-huh.
You have the aluminum foil. And also you have the coconut chocolate. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Also, you can buy all these items in single items, but obviously I would recommend to buy it in a bundle because you save some money and you have everything at once with one order. So yeah, that's my first product I ever launched. So that was when everything started pretty much.
Correct. So there you have like a little kit. If you want to start for the first time, this is a perfect way. You just get the kit and then you have everything in one little kit. And what's over there, the little burner that you have there, it looks very interesting. I like
so
that.
yeah, that's the Sophia Smokes chocolate burner. I recently launched that and I really like it because it has these little tongs. You can pretty much just lift up the chocolate when it's ready, put it in the hookah. Also, you can lift up this here with that, just like this.
Nice.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then also, if you don't need it, you just put it here to the side, lock it in here, and that's it.
I like that. That's
yeah,
very nice.
so it's really nice, really clean, and yeah, easy to use.
Easy to use. Nice little logo in the front. Now let's go for the next one. It's my little favorite one. As you can see, it comes with a little remote control. So tell us a little bit about this hookah.
So that's the Miami hookah by Sophia Smokes. It is a portable hookah, so I called it Miami hookah because in Miami you mostly need a portable hookah because you're always outside. It's always nice weather, so you always go to the pool, you go to the beach, you go to your friends' parties, you go to yachts, to boat parties, to everything, and that's where you pretty much take it. I mean, everybody already takes it with them. They love it, and also then when it gets dark, you can use this light and even this remote here and just change the light. You can change the colors like this.
Nice.
Da-da-da. And you can fade it how we just did it. And yeah, it's pretty nice. It's all acrylic, so you don't break it. You don't have glass in there, so if you put it in your backpack, it doesn't break.
Love it.
It's amazing. I love it.
And tell us where you can find all these products.
Okay, so you can find all of these products on sophiasmokes.com, and also we have an Amazon store you can order from. And yeah, it's pretty easy. We always do discounts. We always have coupons going on. And I think we should do a giveaway too, I would say.
Giveaway, that's a great idea, guys. So stay tuned. We're probably going to do a giveaway of the products. So I'm loving this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little quick video of Sophia and how to become a hookah boss. Any last words you want to add to this?
Yeah, I mean, I would say, guys, if you want to launch your own product, I can definitely help you with that. I offer these services to pretty much show you everything from A to Z. If you want to launch a t-shirt, a table, or anything, whatever brands you ever thought about you wanted to do. So hit me up for that if you're interested. And yeah, I would just say work hard, stay on top of it. Everything is possible.
Definitely. And if you like this short video, don't forget to hit that like button.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that little bell next to the subscribe button, so that way you're notified for any new videos that are coming out. Once again, my name is Dutch.
My name is Sophia.
Until the next time, it's DMZ TV, and we are